Good morning, everybody. Pro Trader Mike, founder of the Mojo. Hope everyone had a nice little weekend. Ready for the Monday action. Can't wait to get to work, start trading, making some money. There's a lot of amazing things moving in the stock market. Sent out a swing newsletter last night. Many of them are up tremendously this morning. The market's biggest winners. And you got a couple other really nice ones on the move. I'll go over those with you. Let's check out the Mojo room and see what the guys are doing. All right, who do we got in here this morning? Whoops. We've got DJ, good morning, and Mr. Gem, thank you for those. Appreciate that. And there you go. Not a lot of people in here right now, but they'll be coming in. Hey, Honcho, good morning. What's up, Dennis? My man Brad Frogger, my man Ben, Batman, Sam. All right. Let's check out the stocks here this morning and see what is hot and not. Amazing. Dude, Apple's up again. $514, up 16 points. Guy's got another. This guy I told you about last night in that video I met this weekend has 26,500 shares. He's up another 16 points. He's up another $424,000 right now, and that's just unbelievable, isn't it? Amazing. Oh, amazing that is. So let's see. So if Apple turns, where's Apple? Let's go to the daily. So Apple's right here. So if Apple turns, let's say it goes down, 20%? Do it in groups of 10. So right now it's up here. 513. So let's take off 51 points. Just for math purposes, we'll do 50. We'll do another 50. The stock's 413. $413 is, where is that on the chart? No, it's actually right here at this bar. So everybody who owned it here, it's like owning that Bitcoin real cheap. You'll always be profitable. Everyone owns Bitcoin under 5,000. There you go. You never have to worry again. You just hold it. All the people that own Apple right there, you just hold it forever. But this is like the new realm. It'll be from here to here, the new box. For the next maybe 5 years. It could just go up and down in this box. Because the people that got paid here can manipulate it from the top and the bottom of that box. Very interesting. It's a big short right now at 513 and above. Short the hell out of that thing right now. Absolutely. This is the TradeX platform that I trade on with a lot of the people within the chat room and a lot of the traders. It's an amazing point and click, real fast execution platform. Put that baby on Arca. I got my Roots, Bats, Edga. Put it on Arca. Limit 513. Start shorting that thing right there. Love that. And so we have some nice ones on the list here today. We have Jivo, back on the list. We got Givo right here, Mr. Evo. All of my swing picks are up today that I put out last night. So we'll do those as we see. Let me see where I can put this. Let's just close that. So we have ADMA, SON, THMO, APYX, CTSO, CGIX. Right there, a bunch of niceys. ADMA is trading the biggest right here, 339. Ooh, it's actually been as high as 450 in the pre-market. So those are my list. Let me stick those up on the side. I love Givo at $1.30. That's a good play for today. Then you got the CGIX at 9. Then you have the SON at 390. Then you got the THMO at 450. And then you got the I put up ADMA. Yep, ADMA right there at 330. Watch list for the MOJO Day Trading website. Let's see. Futures are up 256 right now. The futures. Bum, 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 bum. So today's the 24th. End of the month coming here, guys. End of the month coming. Hey, good morning, Salvador. Hey, guy, what's going on? Good morning, everybody. So the futures are up 256 on the Dow. We're over 28,000. The S&P is over 3,400 at Heinz. It's at 19. And the Nasdaq's Heinz 11.5 mini. Isn't that amazing how it's just... and now they've hit all the numbers. So now it could do the turnaround, the Cupid top. Really can. You picture it all perfectly, Mojo students. Got to get the Cupid top going. So let's look at ADMA. These are the picks I put out in my newsletter last night. How did I know they were all going to fly this morning, right? Let's take a look at the newsletter. Seven beauties. Top 7 beauties last night. Right here. Tattoo, TTOO at $1.45. $1.63 by 4, been as high as 89. Will return there. Great buy. No problem getting that one here today. Beautiful. That thing go right over 231 target by the end of the week. Easy. By the end of the week, ADMA be over 420. Though that triple bar right there, 349, 345, 340. So I picked the tattoo, share the newsletter with you. Sunday night newsletter pick at $1.45. Plasma trade above $1.50. Increased earnings for the next 2 years. Increased earnings for 2 years, going from a loss of $1.30 to 43 to 25. Volume decreased 66% to 4.8 million from 14.03 million. Relative strength of a 93 on a float of 13. Oh no, I didn't change the float. Look at that, I should have changed it. But I got the target circles right, 231 right there. This one's ADMA, 252 range. Plasma trade above 250, going from a loss of 92 to 81 to 54. Volume decreased 18% to 3.6 million versus 4.4. Float 86.3, funds 39. Target red circles at 420 and the past 3 at 350. Risk in 10 to make a buck. San Biotherapeutics develops biologic drugs with biospecification for human binding technology at 263. Plasma trade to go above 3. Volume decreased to 2.3 million from 3.4. Float 13.6. Targets of the red circle. Stock has been as high as, with a new CEO right there, 1620, 789, and $54 per share. THMO, Medical Systems Industry, develops commercialized automated technologies for cell banking, cell processing, and therapeutics. This way, when you've got the plasma, you've already defeated the COVID, you got the antibodies, they'll bank your cells, man. Put them in a cell bank, thank you. Hold them for later, put them in the vault, baby. So when someone needs them, ching ching, open that cell bank and cell process that thing, cha-ching. 370, high's been $14. APYX Medical develops J plasma. Check out the J plasma for the J's. Cutting coagulation, $5. Testing, $8.59. Increased earnings estimates for the next 2 years, going from a loss of 58 to 51 to 52. Volume decreased 45% to 66,000 from 120. So doesn't have a lot of volume. Volume comes in. Rocket ship, 34 million. Float, 14 in the funds. Targets the red circles, baby. 612, 2 at 513 and 560. Look at this one. Cytosorbents Corporation, CTSO, going through 11, 24, and 74 red circles. They develop medical devices using blood purification. And then you have Kamada here at 10. How high can this one go? Who knows? But that's the beautiful newsletter that went out last night, sharing those picks with you. ADMA, 346, 14 million shares. San, 6.4 million shares, 396. Tattoo, 3.4 million shares, $1.62. THMO, 455 by 60, 500,000. CTSO, no one even knows about it. But Mojo. APYX, no one even knows about it. But Mojo. What does that tell you there, folks? What does that tell you? That tells you we got some golden little gemstones. We got some golden little gemstones.
Sweet.
Got a little gems. San just Heinz 4. Heinz 4 on the San. Can you believe Tesla is $2,122 per share? $2,122 per share. What? Yeah. $2,122 per share. Can't believe how unbelievably high that is. Told you Apple's a good short above 513, guys. Love them Apple shorts. No, not, you don't have Apple shorts. I love apples to short. I'm looking for the bounce off 507 stop today. I'm looking for UVXY, perfect at 19. Perfect. I'm looking at a Kodak. My Heinz 7. I'm looking for the ADMA, the SON, the Tattoo, the TMHO, the CTSO, and the APYX. Plasma plays. Right there. That's an alert that went up right there in the MOJO Day Trade room. Oh, wrong screen. Right there, I can get that alert going right there. That's alright. That's a good one for the show. It's a good little picture. I gotta save that. New. Let me show you the plan for today. Here's today's trading plan. That came over nice. Oh, it's doubled.
Wait, do you really think you're gonna learn how to trade watching YouTube videos?
Uh-huh. Look.
Real traders don't post their trading videos on YouTube.
Yeah, we do.
Real traders are too busy making money.
No, they're not.
The real way.
Dude, real traders trade for a couple of minutes. We're done. Make our money and thank you. We have the rest of the day to do whatever we want. What the hell are you talking about? Guy's out of his mind. So right here, here's how I did today's trading plan, dude. Is patience, patience, patience. Mojo will wait for trades to present themselves, create a scaling entry strategy and plan. That's what I do for my trade plays at the open. And typically, they're the better trades of the day. We're usually done by 11 a.m. The key is patience, and the plan's nickels and dimes on smaller stocks and quarters and 50-cent pieces. You know what a quarter is? 25 cents. A 50 is 50 cents. If I told you right now, forget about the stock or the pick and the trading and your charts. If I gave you a stock that went up 50 cents and it did it, trade be done for the day, right? Trade 1,000 shares, make $500, do it 3 times, done for the day, right? $1,500. That's what I would do with you. Come on. MOJO Day Trade Room, you learn how to trade like a pro too in my boot camp. I had a bunch of people signed up for that boot camp. Last night, got like 3 people signed up for that boot camp. So yeah, we got the perfect plays. We got the ADMA. Hey, it didn't turn red. How come ADMA and Kodak didn't turn red, but Apple did and UVXY when I pressed them in the room as symbols? That's weird, isn't it? That's weird. So we got the UV perfectly at 19, right here, 1903 by 5. Has a whole big atmosphere to go fly up into, like a rocket ship. You know what I'm saying? Rocket. Look at them big old rocket ships. The MOJO. MOJO. MOJO rocket. Yeah. Thing can go rocket ship. Why not? Dude, if I told you right here it's going to go up to the top right there and go through, would you believe it? That's 20 bucks. So you buy 1,000 shares for 19 grand. Risk 100, make 1,000. It's a good trade. Low risk. Look, where's it going to go to? Right here. Okay, there's the bottom. So your risk is right here. It's got a nice little base. So like you're out like right there on the X. But the upside to this. So here's the upside. That's a nice burger. So this is your up. And there's your down. Who says you can't learn from people on YouTube, right? Holy shit, what are they, crazy? What are they, crazy? ADMA. Plasma. Thanks, Donald. Plasma 350. CGIX. Had that in the swing a bunch of times. ADMA also. Let's see the longest time ago I had ADMA. Oh, it was right here. Not too long ago. So that's that one. CGIX I've had to have before. I did. Halloween. And in May. And here. On 11/20. And here on 11/30. And the first time I had it was right here in this newsletter. Cancer Genetics in May of 2014. I introduced the Heinz trade play. Look at that newsletter. Look at that newsletter, dude. Introducing the Heinz. What is it? Back in 2014. Comic. What was that pick last week from Pro Trader Mike and Mojo that you scored on? The market went down 200 points. Mojo scored on that UVXY. Oh yeah, I followed too late. I bought the next day. Now I'm down 2 points and I'm losing money. I'm so glad I subscribed to Mojo Swing for $99 a month. Look at these profits in the day trade room right now. Are you freaking kidding me? 6,000 in one trade? Arg! I went in on that Mojo. Better recognize and get some Mojo. Go to the website and just sign up. MOJODayTrading.com. Dude, that's such a good comic. Dude, that's such a good comic from 2014. Gotta save that one, right? Holy crap. That's a comic from 2014. I'll go over these so I could save some of these good comics, man. So let's see if I had Cancer Genetic in here. I had Pran, QTWW, Ivan, Infu, and UV. Here's a Digital Cinema Destinations. Cancer Genetics right here. $9.50. Looks like it was an IPO right here at $11. It went to 23. Right there. Went from 11 to 23. Here it was going through 10. I wanted to play through 10 from 9.56. Initial target 4 points, risking 5%. Trade play through Heinz through 10, similar to CSTL from last week. It may surprise and go to 11. Many good highlights. Ooh, I like how I did this. Great growth. 4 number. Oh, I like how I did this. A, B, C, D. And just did it in order like that. That's nice, Mojo. With a little thing right there. Holy crap, this is a nice looking newsletter, dude. I like how I did that. I'm going to copy that. Save it. You like that style? I like that style, dude. That's nice. Risk amount. Cha-ching, cha-chang. That's beautiful. What's this? Alpha Natural Resources. What's this one? NQ Mobile. That's it. Back in the day. Look at my logo. Mojo Swing Trade Newsletter. Picks by Pro Trader Mike. So old. So we had Cancer Genetics on 11/20 of 2019. We had it at $3 and it went to $6 in the MOJO Day Trading chat room. So it went from 3 to 6 from 8 a.m. Holy crap, it did it in 35 minutes in pre-market. It was on 1 million shares at 8:56 a.m. The next time we did it on 11:20. This was the 3 to 6. This was when it was at 9. This was in $3.80 in October of last year for Halloween at $3.80. Testing 5 and then 7. Volume 10 times. Yeah, it's a good one. CGIX, it's back at that same 8. Interesting one, huh? SON 4. SONN. Pick that one. Back on, no, not that one. It was a different one. It was SONM. Sonum. SONM. Tattoo was one of my biggest winners. Back in the beginning of last year. Told you it was the hint. Tattoo. Mr. Plane. Mr. Plane. Tattoo right here was a big winner at 94 cents in August of 2019. Right here. At 94 cents. Risking a little bit for a lot. The stock went to $3 from 94 cents. Now it's $1.65. What else is on the watch list? Kodak, definitely keeping an eye on that. I went through those. Let's see what's on the... It's what they all look at. I just got to go right to this guy right here. You want a free thing of the trade ideas? Go right here. Oh, not to Warrior. Go to a beginner. Right here, beginning trading. Live. She's on a commercial. So I just take that trade idea scan right here. See it? He gets it for free because he's a pumper of it, so I might as well get it for free too, right? Sonum XTNT at $1.37. I mean, why can't it be $13? Why does it have to be $1 piece of crap? ADMA, $1 piece of crap. Here's NNBR at 7, but it's only traded 84,000 shares. So what can you really do with it? Not a lot. PTI, million, but it's only $1 again. Piece of crap. iBio, 2 million, $2, piece of crap. Everything's cheap. XBit, it's a big one, but it's got no volume. Here's the tattoos up there. Everything's small, $1, $1, $1, $3. That's a shame. No real good flow on this list today here. CERS, 815 up $1 on 122. Right here, CERS, but it's got a huge float. This one's got a small float stem. No volume, 2,900. This is what some of these guys look for right here. Thermo's the beauty, 4 million. Already got it as the swing on a $500,000 at 450. Thermo's the beauty here on the list right there. Thermo. Could see a lot of volume flowing in at 450 on Thermo. 1.8 million on Ramble. RMBL. No volume. Cross it off. No volume. Here's a 272, but that's gold. HMY. Here's a 300 FSLY. 90 bucks. Ooh, Ballad Power's up on 132,000. We were looking at that on the other day because of plug at 17. Ballad Power. Mara's up at 285, can go to 3. I like Mara. I like Ballad Power. Right there at 17. UV's the same. 19 actually, 07 by 8. What's Apple at? Such a beauty. Can't wait for this thing to be... Oh, this is going to be a beauty, beauty, beauty today. Look, I hate those spikes down, though. That's crazy. Nice, nice, nice. Let's see what we got. Yes, a bunch of them. CGIX, San. Solo is the car company. I'm not an analyst on that kind of stuff. If it's not on the gainers list, what do we need to do it? This is a day trade chat room. I picked Solo at $1. It went to $5 in the swing. When Neo made a move with Tesla. It's going with Tesla. Tesla's up 80 points. What are you going to do? You can't do it no more. Like the guy on TV that came on this morning, he said, I'm no analyst. Don't ask me about Tesla. I bought it at 170 and sold it at 240. Now it's 2,130. Amazing. There ain't no rhyme or reason to nothing. Just got a short Apple up here at 513.50 range and bang that baby out. Sonnet's going through $4 Heinz right here. A couple of good ones. All right, guys, I want to thank everyone for watching the MOJO Day Trading show here this morning. I'll give you a live recap later this afternoon. I'll show you which stocks made those hugest moves, which stocks didn't make the hugest moves, which stocks we made money on, lost money on, how and why we did that, and maybe could learn something again when I go live. So when I do, make sure you're subscribed. Just click above or down in that corner. Subscribe to my channel. Follow me on social media, on Twitter. And you'll probably see some videos pop up to the right and left, which are some previous shows I've done. You can verify and retestify that I know what I'm talking about. So peace until later this afternoon, guys. Thanks. Don't be scared and be sure to subscribe. Afraid of you.